Do you think algebra is a bunch of pointless math expressions with letters in them? Think again. Algebra isn't just another math skill. It's a powerful tool that shapes the world around us. In this video, I'll reveal 3 surprising ways how algebra is used in the real world, from everyday problem solving to careers you might not expect, and once you see its real-world impact, you'll never look at algebra the same way again. Look at this pattern. The first shape has 1 box, the second has 3, the third has 5. Can you see a pattern? The next shape increases by 2. How many are in the 60th shape? How long will it take you to count? 5 minutes? 10? What if I told you there's a secret formula that lets you solve this in just 2 seconds? This is where algebra comes in. There's a shortcut. Instead of counting, we could use a simple formula where n represents the shape number. Watch this. We substitute and replace 60 with n, and 2 times 60 minus 1 equals 119. Boom, the answer in 2 seconds. So reason number 1, it allows you to represent patterns mathematically to then solve problems quick and easy. Imagine you're working on a math problem and it gives you this nightmare of a formula. Would you even know where to start? What if I told you this entire mess could be rewritten into something simple? So easy that even a 10-year-old could use it. Here's the problem. Formulas can get bloated with extra steps and extra numbers. But algebra lets us simplify everything, and that's a game changer. Let me show you. We first can collect the like terms in the numerator. Then we could factorize the numerator since there are common factors. Since the numerator is a product, we can now divide it by 2 and we're done. Instead of dealing with this ugly fraction, now we have something clean, simple, and easy to use. Which formula would you rather use? The starting formula or the last formula? So reason number 2 makes complicated formulas easier to use. Ever wondered how we can predict the exact speed of different objects at any point in time, like these situations? It's not magic, it's calculus. Calculus is an advanced type of mathematics explored in year 11 and 12. Let's say you're watching a car race. At one moment, the car is flying down the track. At another, it's slowing down for a turn. But how fast is it moving at this exact moment? You can't just look at the speedometer because speed is constantly changing. To figure it out, we need calculus. But here's the catch. Without algebra, we won't have the tools to even start. Algebra gives us the first step. It helps us write equations that describe motion. With a straight path, we can easily calculate the average speed using a simple formula. This is possible because the speed is constant throughout the journey. But what if the path are curves? That's where calculus comes in. To find the speed at the instant moment, calculus lets us zoom in on the curve, breaking it into even smaller and smaller straight line pieces until we reveal the instantaneous speed at any given point. But this isn't just for race cars. The same math is used everywhere. Pilots rely on calculus to calculate the changing speeds and fuel efficiency in midair. Architects use it to design perfect curves in buildings, ensuring strength and stability. Doctors and medical researchers use it to analyze how the heart rate changes, helping diagnose conditions in real time. Even video game designers use it. Ever wondered how characters move so smoothly in games? That's calculus, making animations look natural. And the foundation to all of this is algebra. Without it, these professions wouldn't have the formulas they need to solve complex problems. So reason number 3, needed for calculus and many professions. Now you know why algebra matters, but knowing algebra is only half the battle. The real power comes when you start solving equations. So click here to watch the first video on the introduction to equations. where maths gets even more fun.